Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about managing service availability and data performance at Komatsu. So how important is system availability to your organization and how do you manage complexities in infrastructure? And are this important to you? Human capital cost of managing the infrastructure, availability and latency in real time, maintain healthy data warehouses, time to solve the system issues of your critical infrastructure. So in this session, let's deep dive and understand how to manage the complexities in infrastructure. I'm Raghu Rohit Balam. I'm a cloud integration engineer located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I've been working in Komatsu since 2018, and I work on cloud automation, Azure DevOps, CI/CD, and application monitoring. And my contributions are leading the expansion of operational monitoring of Komatsu mining analytics platform to centralize Komatsu's telemetry data to provide a global data store for analytics and visualization, allowing Komatsu to partner together to deliver services and solutions for our customers. So Komatsu is an equipment provider to multiple industries such as mining, construction, industrial, and forestry. Our headquarters is located in Tokyo, Japan, with over 60,000 employees globally. Today, I will be focusing on our mining industry and how we are achieving our smart mining vision. We have a smart service center globally near our customers to provide data-driven insight that are actionable for helping our customers to optimize the cost of the ownership of our equipment. So our mining and service offerings cover full range of mining needs and can be combined to provide full system solution for surface and underground mining. Integrated services and solution provide and help customers. So here is the one slide of visualization of the diversity of the products that we digitally support and manage. So here is an example of just one machine in action. Globally, we have thousands of machines sending data at various rates into Komatsu Mining Analytics platform. Machine connectivity can drop and store days to weeks of data locally. So when connectivity turns back on, the system would get surge of data. So data is received globally into our ingest engine. So here we normalize and archive two main types of data. The data is streamed into the analytics engine where it is analyzed for anomalies and create actionable insights. So we store this data and this information and provide access to various users around the world. So application monitoring is critical in each and every step to ensure the flow of information from mine to our customers. In each and every step, we have various monitoring to highlight when and where we have data bottlenecks. So here is our monitoring journey over past few years. In Gen 1, we typically used to spend 20 minutes or 20% of the time to monitor our system. And also we were unable to identify the root cause of warehouse usage spikes. So when we matured our monitoring state to Gen 2 by creating a basic stoplight dashboard, we were able to reduce the time to monitor our system by 15%, but couldn't capture overall system issues. But on the other hand, the alerts were reduced to 20%. So now the current system, centralized dashboard or SLA dashboard, we were able to reduce the time to monitor our system to 5%, and issues were quickly identified and reduced to 80%. So managing the downtime for various resources is simple. And the biggest advantage that I got apart from quickly identifying the issue is I was able to get my beauty sleep. So moving on, our future target for monitoring is the improved event tracking for systems, configure metrics and aggregate data faster with more ease, detect the pattern and anomalies for application using log management. So here is our main landing page to show the current system health. This is a centralized dashboard to monitor the whole system functionality. This dashboard can highlight hotspotting from the equipment ingest surges and areas where bottlenecks and issues may arise. This dashboard gives us high-level overview while also allowing us to drill into low-level details quickly and efficiently. Identify out-of-balance issues and also identify hotspotting for resource utilization. So why SLA dashboard? At Komatsu, we have wide variety of stakeholders with different technical abilities that needs to know how different the system is performing. We need to see the bigger picture of application landscape, but also drill into individual areas to ensure peak performance. Our strategy was to rely on accessibility and simplicity. So that's the reason we focused on making a user-friendly traffic lights dashboard. This really helped us setting up alerts and track the issues in the real time. And we were able to quickly identify our data ingest issues, able to see our analytics portal uptime. We would easily capture our time series data flow with alarm and event queue. So one of the most useful integration we found from this SLA dashboard was Snowflake, which has revolutionized our insights into warehouse performance and data query status. So before integrating Snowflake with Datadog, we were spending a lot of time on queries because there was no visibility into Snowflake. Also, we were unable to track the warehouse performance. There is no query overload counts. Also unable to track the custom task failures. And we were unable to identify abusive queries running on multiple warehouses. So at a glance, we were unable to identify what caused the warehouse usage spike and increase in the overload count. And before integrating, we were spending a lot of time on queries because there is no visibility into Snowflake. Time tracking on warehouse performance and queries for more than 20% a day. And troubleshooting the performance and or optimization of warehouse took us longer time. And identifying the issues and root cause took us longer time. And users getting into queued in the warehouse and identifying the query performance took us days. So this is our high-level overview of Snowflake performance monitoring dashboard. So this integration provides crucial insights into each and every layer of Snowflake architecture, so we can carefully monitor and optimize our usage. This gives us a complete picture of data-related activity in our system, no matter which service you use with Snowflake. So how Snowflake and Datadog monitoring helped us triage the issues. With this integration, the first benefit that we got was we were able to get full visibility into Snowflake. We were quickly able to identify and optimize our storage usage, monitor our warehouse performance, notified on our query overload count in the real time, and we were able to easily get track of our custom queries runtime count, just to check if our task got succeeded, skipped, or failed. Quickly identify the query status by a user. If a user query is, I quickly identify the user query total runtime, if the user query got queued, or if the user query got failed. And also able to, we incorporated a custom notification management to help and address any potential platform issues and monitor the warehouse performance. So these are some of the useful metrics that we found with this integration. So system availability is crucial at Komatsu and our customer. Managing the complexity of our system through tools such as Datadog is essential, and we manage our cost of the platform while improving our system health. Thank you.